this year. The 28th National Conference on E-Governance
We are absolutely proud to have such a esteemed level of government who have absolutely flown the skies and crossed the seas to be a part of this momentous occasion. The mountains they have climbed, the uncharted waters they have bravely navigated under their professional genres. All the late nights, the early mornings, the one more tries and the never give ups are going to be paid today. The one who have looked at every challenge as opportunity, those who have turned every negativity into positivity. And of course, today is the day we are going to set the benchmarks and raise the bars a bit more higher. Sit back, relax. We have something very amazing awaiting for all of you.
Wherever disease is occurring, real time now we are
not only disease.
The farmers.
Farmer as an SMS.
I am confident. I brought technology to this country. Now 3 decades back.
Well, today is a day which is filled with multiple addresses, couple of presentation, and apart from that, there are too many people.
No, not only that, you go through everything. Now a presentation after this. Then how far it is relevant to our applications, how to integrate, we will integrate.
I'll come to participate in the presentation. And replication will give all source codes.
Yeah, you come, we will work it out.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా కొన్ని విషయాల్లో నేను ఐఎమ్ పుషింగ్ మా వాళ్ళు ఇంకా రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది ఎక్కడో రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ కాంప్లసెన్సీ
always meets resistance.
కాంప్లసెన్సీ ఆల్సో
Yes, sir. Complacency also. చాలా advance అయిపోయాము.
మాకు అన్ని తెలుసు అనే ఐడియాలో ఉంటాం. No, not only that, real time tomorrow it is inspiring time according to me. That is where I am asking even animal husbandry. Every animal health, productivity and also ఎంత ఫాడర్ ఇవ్వాలి, కాస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఉండాలి, ఈల్డ్ ఎట్లా మానిటర్ చేయాలి.
And we in Andhra Pradesh what it is today. We have the gracious presence of today's Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu here. Welcome.
Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu to please come on to the dais. Hearty welcome, sir.
A very warm and hearty welcome to you, sir. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप यहाँ पर आए, आपने अपना कीमती वक्त हमें दिया. And now with this, may I please call upon stage Shri Bhaskar Katmaneni, sir, Secretary Information Technology and Electronics and Communications, Government of Andhra Pradesh, to kindly join us here to honor everybody all together, all of our leaders. Shri V. Srinivasa, Secretary Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India. Also, Shri Kaveti Vijayanand, Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Shri Abhishek Singh, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Director General.
I request Bhaskar Katmaneni IAS, sir, to please welcome Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu garu with a bouquet.
Also requesting Shri Puneet Yadavji, Additional Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, to kindly come and join us there on stage. Shrimati Sarita Chauhanji.
Right, sir. I also request Bhaskar Katmaneni, sir, to welcome Shri V. Srinivasa garu, Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India. Hearty welcome, sir. I also request Bhaskar, sir, to welcome the Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh, Shri K. Vijayanand IAS, sir. Hearty welcome, sir. I also request Bhaskar Katmaneni, sir, to welcome Shri Abhishek Singh, Additional Secretary, Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Director General, National Informatics Center, and IC with a flower bouquet. I also request Bhaskar, sir, to please welcome Shri Puneet Yadav garu, Additional Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India. I also request Bhaskar sir to welcome Srimati Sarita Chauhan, Joint Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, DAPRG, Government of India, in charge of e-governance in DRPG. Hearty welcome, sir.
Well, as we say, individual commitment to the group makes the company work, the organization work, the society work and the civilization work. इसी के साथ माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय एवं मंच पर उपस्थित गणमान्य अधिकारी गण से खास निवेदन है, कृपया बुद्धि दायिनी मां सरस्वती के आगे दीप प्रज्वलित कर प्रार्थना करें कि दुनिया में हर किसी को विद्या का अधिकार मिले और हर मन में समृद्धि का वास हो.
As part of this 28th National E-Governance Conference, I request today's Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Babu Naidu and all other dignitaries on the dais to please enhance the elegance of this function by lighting of lamp. I request Honorable CM sir to kindly enhance the elegance of this function by the lighting of lamp. జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలనతో ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమ శోభను ద్విగుణీకృతం చేయవలసిందిగా ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమ ముఖ్య అతిథి గౌరవనీయులైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారిని అభ్యర్థిస్తున్నాం.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now it's time to create the positivity in this room. A big round of applause. Put your hands together. With this, we declare the inaugural session right here, right now.
To shred out the darknesses of unextended governance and to enhance the light of e-governance, the lighting of lamp enhanced the elegance of this function of 28th National Conference on E-Governance. భారతీయ సంస్కృతిని సంప్రదాయాన్ని అనుసరించి జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలనతో ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమ శోభను ద్విగుణీకృతం చేశారు. ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమ ముఖ్య అతిథి గౌరవనీయులైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు. Thank you sir, thank you very much.
With this, we request all of our leaders to kindly take their seats. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to take this day forward. I would now like to invite onto the podium side Shri K. Vijayanandji, Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, to kindly come and start with the welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Chief guest of today's function, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu garu, Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India, Shri Srinivas garu, Bhaskar Katamneni garu, Secretary IT, and who is hosting this conference from government side, Shri Puneet Yadav garu, Additional Secretary, Shri Abhishek Singh garu, Additional Secretary to Government of India, Sunita Chauhan garu, Joint Secretary to Government of India, colleagues from government, distinguished delegates, representatives from industry and academia, representatives of media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Government of Andhra Pradesh, it's an honor and a privilege to extend a warm welcome to each one of you to this dynamic and picturesque city of Visakhapatnam for the 28th National E-Governance Conference. We take immense pride in hosting this distinguished event, jointly organized by Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, in partnership with the Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh. This conference brings together thought leaders, policy makers, innovators and practitioners from across the country. I extend my heartfelt greetings to this August gathering. The theme for this year, Vikasit Bharat, Civil Services and Digital Transformation, is both timely as well as ambitious. As India marches steadily towards the vision of a developed nation and Andhra Pradesh towards the Swarnandhra 2047, we recognize that our journey depends on two pillars: a responsive, forward-looking civil service and a robust, inclusive digital ecosystem. Over the next 2 days, we will deliberate on a carefully curated set of topics in plenary sessions, covering pivotal themes such as artificial intelligence for Vikasit Bharat, Vizag as an IT hub, civil services and digital transformation, agri-stack, cyber security in e-governance, and benchmarking and advancement of service delivery. These are all central to accelerating sustainable, policy service delivery, and citizen empowerment. Complementing to the plenary sessions, this conference will also host focused breakout sessions, providing opportunities for in-depth discussion and collaborative ideation. Andhra Pradesh has a proud legacy of being at the forefront of technology-led governance. From pioneering real-time governance systems to digitizing land and service delivery platforms, from deploying technology in welfare systems to leveraging analytics for decision-making, Andhra Pradesh has consistently sought to align governance with innovation. Initiatives such as WhatsApp governance, Manamitra, data lake implementation, CCTV projects, Aware, RTGS Lens, AI-enabled government website search, and chatbot solutions are emblematic of our commitment to innovation and transparency. We are also advancing frontier technologies through initiatives like Ratan Tata Innovation Hub and the Emerging Quantum Valley, which aims to position Andhra Pradesh as a nucleus for cutting-edge research, innovation, and digital entrepreneurship. Yet, while technology opens up unprecedented possibilities, it also brings responsibilities. Digital systems must be inclusive, ensuring that no citizen is left behind due to geography, literacy, or access. They must be secure, protecting citizen data and the integrity of public platforms. They must be ethical, guided by principles of transparency, accountability, and fairness. And they must be adaptive, capable of evolving with the technological change. The public sector today stands at an inflection point. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, secure cloud platforms, and next-generation connectivity presents unparalleled opportunities to improve decision-making, personalize services, and enhance responsiveness. At the same time, these technologies raise complex questions of ethics, equity, and security. It is therefore essential that the civil service evolve not merely as adopters of technology, but also as architects of frameworks that ensure technology is applied responsibly, transparently, and inclusively. We are indeed fortunate to have with us today as the chief guest our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu garu, a leader whose vision for technology-driven governance has inspired an entire generation of administrators and policy makers across the country. His pioneering emphasis on technology adoption has been instrumental in positioning Andhra Pradesh as a leader in governance reforms. We are also honored by the presence of our guest of honor, and we also extend a warm welcome to the secretaries from Government of India, whose vast experience and insights will enrich our deliberations. I am confident that the discussions over these 2 days will generate valuable insights and actionable strategies for advancing e-governance and strengthening the role of civil service in building a Vikasit Bharat. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to this landmark conference. May our deliberations be rich in ideas, grounded in practicality, and bold in ambition, lighting the path towards a governance framework that is innovative, inclusive, transparent, and transformative. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I invite the Additional Secretary, Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, and the Director General, National Informatics Center, NIC, Shri Abhishek Singh, sir, to please come forward and give his message.
Thank you. Most respected Honorable Chief Minister Shri Chandra Babu Naidu ji, Secretary DARP ji, Chief Secretary Andhra Pradesh, my colleagues Bhaskar, Puneet and Sarita, distinguished dignitaries, colleagues and friends. It is my honor and privilege to be here today at the 28th National E-Governance Conference and to be speaking in this August gathering. At the outset, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Government of Andhra Pradesh for graciously hosting this important national conference. Andhra Pradesh has always been a front runner in digital transformation and e-governance, and it is only befitting that we are gathered here in Visakhapatnam to deliberate on the future of digital governance in India. I would also like to take an opportunity to congratulate all the National E-Governance Award winners today. This year, selecting the awardees was very challenging for the jury, for which I was fortunate to be part of. It was really an enlightening learning experience to learn about all the innovation that is going on across India. Over the past decade, under the vision of Digital India, our country has witnessed a remarkable transformation in how governance is delivered. Today, citizens across the length and breadth of the India benefit from seamless access to government services, whether through Aadhaar-enabled platforms, UPI, DigiLocker, or e-office. These initiatives have not only improved transparency and efficiency, but have also brought government closer to every citizen, fulfilling the spirit and dream of good governance. Andhra Pradesh has been a leader and trendsetter in this journey. From pioneering digital service delivery to adopting emerging technologies, the state has consistently demonstrated how innovation can be harnessed for governance. One example I must highlight today is the leadership the state of Andhra Pradesh has shown in getting the mobile app for e-office developed by NIC and adopting it. This step will make governance faster, more responsive and more citizen-centric. I am delighted to share that this mobile app will soon be extended to all states and union territories, enabling officials across India to work more efficiently anytime, anywhere. The National Informatics Center has been a proud partner to both all departments of Government of India and the state governments in this transformation journey. From building secure digital platforms to supporting states in the implementation of IT projects, NIC has played a critical role in ensuring that governance systems remain robust, reliable, and future ready. At this point, I would also like to highlight the call given by our Honorable Prime Minister to reduce dependence on foreign products and become Atmanirbhar in IT applications and solutions. In line with this vision, NIC has now adopted the email services provided by Zoho, along with office productivity tools for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. It is important that we start using these solutions and also reflect on what other tools we depend on in our day-to-day work that can be developed here in India. Given our vast market size and the proven capability of Indian companies, I am confident that we can build world-class digital solutions right here at home. Looking ahead, the next wave of transformation will be driven by artificial intelligence. The India AI mission launched by the Government of India is creating a national AI ecosystem that states and union territories can fully leverage. Through the India AI compute services, states will be able to access cutting-edge AI infrastructure to build their own AI applications. Further, the AI Kosh platform provides a common repository of datasets, models, and tools. I encourage all states to contribute their datasets to the AI Kosh platform and to also make use of the rich resources available there to design AI-based solutions for governance, agriculture, healthcare, education, and beyond. In February 2026, India will host the AI Impact Summit, a landmark global gathering to showcase the power of AI for people, planet, and progress. I take this opportunity to invite all states and union territories to actively join this national endeavor by hosting regional and pre-events in the run-up to the summit and by showcasing their innovations during the summit itself. This will not only demonstrate India's collective strength in AI, but will also ensure the benefits of this technology reach every corner of our country. To conclude, e-governance in India has moved from vision to action, and Andhra Pradesh has consistently shown the way forward. With Digital India as our foundation and with emerging technologies like AI as our next frontier, I am confident that together, Government of India, states, NIC, we will be able to continue to build governance systems that are more inclusive, efficient, and transformative. Thank you once again to Government of Andhra Pradesh for your leadership and hospitality, and I look forward to the deliberations ahead. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Shri Abhishek Singh Ji, for an insightful address and encouraging us to create wonders in the near future. And with this, I would now like to invite Shri V. Srinivas, Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India, to kindly take us forward with his address. Over to you, sir.
Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu Garu, Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Vijayanand Garu, Additional Secretary and Joint Secretary, DRPG, Shri Puneet Yadav, Srimati Sarita Chauhan, DG NIC, Shri Abhishek Singh, Principal Secretary, IT, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Bhaskar Garu, distinguished delegates, on behalf of the Government of India, I am deeply privileged to extend a warm and hearty welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu garu to the inaugural session of the 28th National E-Governance Conference at Visakhapatnam. Sir, your legendary commitment to smart governance from the early 1990s has transformed government's processes, institutions, and benefited crores of Indians with 21st century governance models. Sir, when I was a student, you were still a minister in the government. When I was an undersecretary and just joined service, you were already chief minister. And now 37 years after I have completed service, you still continue to be the chief minister. On behalf of all of us, youngsters who have looked up to you for several decades, please accept and salute our services, your yeoman services to the nation, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, we live in transformative times, as you have rightly said, and the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji's stated policy is maximum governance, minimum government. It has focused on bringing citizens and government closer using technology. The best manifestation of maximum governance, minimum government policy is a digitally transformed institution and a digitally empowered citizen. The theme of the 28th NEGC is Viksit Bharat Civil Service and Digital Transformation is based on the government's deep commitment to the principles of social justice, transparency and accountability, which provides equitable opportunities to everyone. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas, which has been the overarching national development goal. This conference seeks institutionalization of the best practices, enables state-to-state learning, and is a forum for dissemination of award-winning practices that can become resources for the state. As the Honorable Chief Minister has said, sir, we'll mount a delegation to Amaravati very soon and share with you the applications that have been showcased in this event. Traditionally, the national e-governance conferences have enabled significant evolution of India's e-governance journey. Personally, this is my 7th national e-governance conference. My journey started with Shillong in 2019, Bombay in 2020, Hyderabad in 2022, then Katra, then Indore, Mumbai, and today in Visakhapatnam. Sir, this conference will have 6 plenary sessions, 6 breakout sessions, the inaugural and valedictory sessions, and the award ceremony. Over 110 speakers are participating in the deliberations, and every state of India is being represented along with every union territory. The showcase of the sessions is the plenary session 1 on making Vizag as an information technology hub, as a city which has growth and potential for information technology and e-governance in the coming years. The other sessions are on AI for Viksit Bharat, civil service and digital transformation, agri-stack, benchmarking and advancement of service delivery, and cyber security in e-governance. Sir, over the past decade, I have witnessed a digital transformation of civil service as also of secretariats. The e-office in mission mode project implemented across departments and ministries has enabled a significant increase in efficiency in governance, with e-office analytics providing disaggregated data for performance metrics of individual officials. The e-office today represents the sine qua non for increasing efficiency in decision making in India. Government of India processes an average of 5 lakh receipts every month, and about 50,000 files are processed every month, with about 5,000 files as interministerial correspondence. The seamless operationalization of e-office has enabled functioning of the central secretariat even in the pandemic. In fact, the successful operationalization of e-office enabled both the secretariats in Jammu and Srinagar to function simultaneously. The e-office analytics are published, as also secretariat reforms which monitor pendency as also file disposal and enable creation of flatter organizations. Another project where the Honorable Prime Minister has placed a lot of emphasis is effective redressal of public grievances. The CP Grams has adopted a 10-step reform to reduce grievance timelines to increase citizen satisfaction levels and also uses advanced data analytics through a data strategy unit. The next gen CPgrams will be an AI-enabled digital platform that is in the advanced stages of development to be launched in April 2026. So far, in the last 5 years, CPgrams has helped redress 1.4 crore grievances with an average disposal time of 14 days. Sir, we are collaborating with Government of Andhra Pradesh for 100 Sevottam programs to be implemented for capacity building of grievance officers in this year alone. On improving service delivery, so far, India has operationalized 23,400 e-services are provided across states and union territories. We have reached about 80% saturation levels and several unified portals like Seva Sindhu, e-Unnat, Odisha One have been operationalized. In fact, the Jandan Aadhaar Mobile Trinity has enabled unprecedented financial inclusion, and applications like DigiLocker, Umang, Passport Seva, CoWIN, eNAM are now household names. It is amazing how much a mobile phone has changed our lives in the past decade. Andhra Pradesh has been a pioneer, and yesterday we've had long interactions with senior officials of Government of Andhra Pradesh. We are extremely impressed by the real-time governance initiative that has been launched, as also the WhatsApp governance model, which provides 738 government services through the Manamitra platform. In fact, this we would like to disseminate as a best practice across the nation through this conference. We also have the national webinar on e-governance, which showcases the best practices, and we will invite every award winner to participate in this e-governance webinar series. To conclude, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu garu, for his visionary leadership in transforming the e-governance landscape of India and for his support to the 28th NEGC. We look forward to 2 days of comprehensive dialogue and the roadmap for e-governance through the Visakhapatnam Declaration tomorrow evening. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for taking forward the initiative of Honorable Prime Minister by saying, more governance, less government. And also to quote your words, sir, men may come and men may go, but river flows forever. In the same way, for the past many decades, sir told that he have been seeing Honorable CM Chandra Babu Naidu garu as the CM and as the minister since he was the student. Men may come and men may go, but river flows forever.
Absolutely. दोस्तों, भारत एक ऐसा देश है जिसने उपलब्धियों की प्राप्ति साल दर साल की है। अब वक्त आ गया है कि आप सभी को हम एक ऐसी फिल्म दिखाएं जहां पर आप सब जानेंगे कि कई नए सारे इनिशिएटिव्स जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट यहां पर लेने वाली है। मैं आदर निवेदन करना चाहूंगी हमारे मुख्य अतिथि एवं मंच पर उपस्थित सभी अधिकारीगण और साथ ही साथ हमारे सभी लोग जो यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं, कृपया कर वो एक बार स्क्रीन की ओर देखें। दिस गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट द फिल्म बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश ऑन ई-गवर्नेंस इनिशिएटिव्स। Can we have it rolling, please?
Andhra Pradesh has always been ahead of the curve, embracing technology not as an add-on but as the backbone of governance. While most states were still grappling with manual systems, Andhra Pradesh, under the visionary leadership of Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu, made bold moves that transformed public service delivery. It all began in 1998 with computer-assisted registration of deeds, India's first digitized property registration system, reducing weeks of paperwork to just a few minutes. By 1999, citizens could access services from a single window through eSeva, and in 2001, Andhra Pradesh launched India's first full-scale e-procurement platform, setting new standards in transparency. In 2008, ePass ensured timely scholarships for lakhs of students. That same year, the Road Transport Authority digitized all citizen services. In 2011, eSeva brought hundreds of government services onto one platform, simplifying daily access for millions. In 2014, the Core Dashboard was introduced, enabling real-time tracking of government performance. By 2015, AP FiberNet was rolled out to connect homes, schools, and government offices with affordable high-speed internet. The transformation reached every sector. In agriculture, the Agriculture Information and Management System utilizes satellite data to assist farmers in monitoring crops and managing risks. The Integrated Irrigation Transformation Project restored over 1,000 tanks, helping nearly 3 lakh farmers across 12 districts. Water resources information was digitized through the Water Resources Information System and Water Audit MIS, allowing real-time tracking of reservoirs and irrigation flows. Urban citizens benefit from the Municipal e-Governance suite, streamlining services like birth and death registration, property tax, and building permits. The MA and UD smart dashboards track sanitation, waste management, and citizen feedback. The Animal Husbandry and Fisheries Department introduced disease forecasting, livestock health monitoring, as well as productivity tools. The Mines and Geology Department adopted drone-based surveys and automated systems for royalty and approvals. In education, the School Infrastructure Monitoring System and Digital Classrooms Dashboard helped improve teaching quality and school infrastructure conditions in real time. At the grassroots, the Gram Award Sachivalayam system brought over 500 services to every village and ward, monitored daily through real-time dashboards. Andhra Pradesh's P4 model, combining public, private, people and partnerships, is creating a huge social impact and fighting poverty across sectors. Transport advanced with the APSRTC integrated mobile app, enabling real-time bus tracking, bookings and feedback. Inside the government, the e-office converted office file work to fully paperless operations. The Planning Department introduced a portal that tracks 170 schemes in real time. In public finance, budget dashboards and expenditure trackers ensure every rupee is monitored and used effectively. The Housing Department monitors layouts, construction and beneficiaries through live dashboards. The Comprehensive Hospital Monitoring System transformed public healthcare by tracking diagnostics, medicines and staff performance. The Civil Supplies Department adopted e-POS devices and warehouse tracking for smooth ration distribution. The Revenue Department upgraded land administration with ECCLA systems. Tourism became smarter with QR-based heritage site management and digital feedback systems. Skill Development Department tracks progress across ITIs and polytechnics. The Minority Welfare Department digitized loan and subsidy disbursals, linking beneficiaries directly with banks. The Environment, Forest, Science and Technology Department uses satellite data to monitor forest cover, detect encroachments and track pollution. Even disaster response is now smarter with real-time alerts, predictive dashboards and ground coordination during floods and cyclones. In 2025, Andhra Pradesh took another leap with Aware 2.0, launched by the Real-Time Governance Society. This AI-powered platform integrates satellites, IoT sensors, drones and departmental data to deliver real-time crop advisories to farmers, disaster alerts to citizens and predictive dashboards to officials. Governance is no longer reactive. It is proactive, data-driven and AI-powered. Since 2017, Andhra Pradesh has also built a 15,000 plus camera network across 26 districts linked to state and district command centers with advanced AI features like facial recognition, crowd density monitoring, abandoned object detection, loitering alerts and many more. The system empowers crime prevention, emergency response and smarter policing with faster, transparent enforcement. The Police Department modernized operations with e-Police, a fully digital police management system. Recently, the state launched an AI-powered super app for women, connecting them to financial aid, healthcare, safety alerts, jobs, and upskilling opportunities. The Tribal Welfare Department rolled out digital survey tools and dashboards to track development and land programs in real time. The state also launched WhatsApp Governance, Manamitra, India's first platform offering 700 plus government services through a simple WhatsApp chat. From paying bills to downloading certificates, citizens can now access governance anytime, anywhere. It's a game changer in real time. Citizen first governance. From agriculture to education, welfare to infrastructure, every department is digitally empowered, every service is traceable, and every citizen benefits. At the center of this revolution is Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu, a leader who didn't just imagine the future, but built it. A visionary who made technology the foundation of public service, transparency, and accountability. From tribal hamlets to digital command centers, every reform tells the same story. Good governance is smart governance. This is Andhra Pradesh, where technology meets intent, where governance is real-time, responsive, and people-first, led by vision, driven by execution, built to serve, setting the benchmark for e-governance and leading the way for India and the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, and let's bring some great energies to this room. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, the kind of initiatives we have taken in these years have been absolutely game changer. आज हम जहां कहीं भी हैं, ये सब मुमकिन हो पाया है हमारी गवर्नमेंट की वजह से, उनकी मेहनत की वजह से, उन सभी का साथ, उनका विश्वास. They have been our greatest backbone support system and strength for us throughout, and we are coping out with exponential growth throughout.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request today's Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandra Babu Naidu, to please come forward along with the dignitaries for the launch of the publications of Government of Andhra Pradesh. Government of Andhra Pradesh వారు ఏర్పాటు చేసిన కొన్ని పబ్లికేషన్స్ ని లాంచ్ చేయవలసిందిగా ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమ ముఖ్య అతిథి గౌరవనీయులైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ నారా.చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారిని అభ్యర్థిస్తున్నాం.
And now with this, let us all look forward. What else do we have in store for all of you? देवियों सज्जनों, आंध्र प्रदेश एक नई उड़ान की तरफ बढ़ते जा रहा है और आप सभी के सामने हम आज उपस्थित हैं कुछ नए खास इनिशिएटिव्स के साथ. तो चलिए हम सब मिलकर देखते हैं कि आज क्या आप सभी के लिए खास है.
As part of 28th National Conference on E-Governance entitled Vikasit Bharat, Civil Service and Digital Transformation, today's Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandra Babu Naidu has launched the publications of Government of Andhra Pradesh. Digital AP, 2 decades of e-governance leadership. Entitled Digital Andhra Pradesh, 2 years of e-governance leadership.
Well, everyone, it is an absolute proud moment for all of us to get ready to catch the flights and sky-high rocketing success stories.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the high time and the precious time. Now I invite the man who enhanced the elegance of the e-governance system, the political Chanakya, today's Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandra Babu Naidu garu, to give his valuable message.
Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India. Respected Shri V. Srinivasan garu, Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Respected Shri Vijayanand garu, Additional Secretary, Minister of Electronics and Information Technology. Respected Shri Abhishek Singh garu, Additional Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. Respected Shri Puneet Yadav garu, Joint Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms, Srimati Sarita Chauhan garu, Secretary, Information Technology and Electronics and Communications, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Bhaskar garu, representatives from Government of India and all state governments and also union territories and friends. Today, I have seen so many conferences. This is a historical conference. For various reasons, I will explain my experiences towards this. Welcome to all of you. This is a wonderful city. 2 days you can have a very pleasant time, I can say. One side beaches, one side hills, and also beautiful people. Recently, Government of India is rated, agency is rated, most safest city for women is Visakhapatnam. Clean city, green city, and also beautiful city. Now we are building tourism in a big way. So I am confident we will have a best hospitality with government of Andhra Pradesh. Today's subject is very interesting. 28th National Conference on E-Governance. As a matter of fact, it is very near to my heart. Not now, for the last 3 decades in this country. If you see, first time in this country, nobody used to talk about information technology. That is late 90s. At that time, internet revolution was innovated by Bill Gates. Because of that one innovation, world has become a global village. Earlier, what is happening in America, we don't know. What is happening in India, other countries don't know. With that single innovation, real time, we are able to reach everywhere. Very interestingly, I was CM at the time, 95. I wanted to meet Bill Gates. He visited India. Then I asked his appointment. He gave a message to me, I am not meeting any politicians, I don't have any work, but I am a technology man. If anybody wanted to come and participate in my meetings, they can participate. Then I sent a word to him, desperately, I want to meet you 10 minutes. I am having something to share with you. With great difficulty, he gave me 20 minutes time. Then I went to American ambassador's house. We had a meeting. At that time, nobody used to give PowerPoint presentations. 4 days, 5 days, I prepared everything. I gave PowerPoint presentation. By seeing that, he is totally impressed. He said, never I have seen this type of PowerPoint presentation, even with my professionals. As a politician, you are able to give amazing experience for me. Then he asked me, what you want? I told him only one thing, I don't want anything from you. Indians are very strong in information technology. Reason is very simple. We are very strong in mathematics. British left English to us while taking everything. So this is a deadly combination for information technology. Then he was telling to me, yes, I entirely agree. India will play a very crucial role. Then I asked one thing. I want only one thing from you. If at all you are coming out of Seattle, come to Hyderabad and set up your Microsoft Development Center. That was my wish. Then he said, I don't have any idea as on now. We will work together. Then I used to cultivate friendship with him. In Davos, I used to meet. All the way I went to Seattle. I invited to Andhra Pradesh. He came to Andhra Pradesh. By that time, he was totally convinced. First development center has come to Hyderabad after Seattle. That is the first development. Rest is a history. you are all aware, employee of Microsoft Center in Hyderabad has become president of Microsoft today. That is interesting stories. How it will happen, this is one story I can tell you. I am very happy today, our Honorable Prime Minister. We are all proud of him. Right man, right place, that is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Why I am saying this, all of you, I am a long-standing tenure in politics. Even our Srinivasan Garu has rightly mentioned, he is from P.V. Narasimha family who brought economic reforms for this country. He has given direction to this country. From that family he belongs to. I am very happy to see him here. After that, if you see, I have seen so many prime ministers. I worked very closely with prime ministers. He was with Jaswant Singh at that time as finance minister. We had some discussions on finance, all those things, one aspect. At that time, there were two companies, BSNL, VSNL. Both are public sector. BSNL domestic, VSNL international. Very interestingly, there are calls, urgent calls, lightning calls, emergency calls like that. All are manual exchanges. If you book a lightning call used to take 7 days or 10 days. Even international calls, my son was studying in America at that time. One day, I told jokingly in my assembly also, if I speak to my son who is in America, it will come bill thousands of rupees. Then you will raise a question in the assembly saying that you misused your power by telephoning your son. That is the cost. Desperately, I tried successive prime ministers. Finally, I was able to achieve through Vajpayee ji. During Vajpayee period, deregulation of telecommunications sector has taken up. Report was given by me and also Jaswant Singh. Today, at that time, he asked me where is money. After 2 years, 2G scam alone 2 lakh crores. Today, 3G, 4G, 5G, we are moving 6G. So these are all personal experiences I had during this time. Even e-Seva, I started with e-Seva and me-Seva afterwards. And so many developments, first time in this country, e-governance I started at that time. Nobody used to imagine also. We had a very good equation with Singapore government and international companies. One is development centers for employment, and also one side who used to work on governance for efficiency. Here, all states are here. Why I said right time, right place, right man, that is Narendra Modi. He knows the technology. He knows the power of technology. He understood technology. He is able to create a competition among various states. Originally, no competition for me. At one stage, there was only one competition from Bangalore, SM Krishna. One day he told me, I cannot compete with you. From now onwards, I will work with you. Let us work together. Today, every state is competing. This is a very good, healthy trend. That is where I am very proud of all of you. One thing I wanted to mention here, One is reform. 1991, P.V. Narasimha Garu has introduced economic reforms. Mid-90s, we had an advantage of first more advantage in technology. Now we are having an advantage, demographic dividend. Other countries are facing aging problem. Now we are having very stable government. With all these things, if we can prepare, we can do wonders. All 30 years, technology evolution is one angle. Next 10 years, how we are going to use technology is another angle. I have seen some examples here. Always I am having a jealous, somebody is doing better, I want to do immediately. I asked Srinivasan Garu, very soon he has to come to Amaravati. All your projects, what all you are doing, I wanted to listen to him. If I am missing anything, I wanted to implement immediately. I wanted to create one of the best model for the country by adopting all technological solutions. Recently, we have introduced Manamitra, that is WhatsApp governance. As on today, 751 services we are providing online through WhatsApp. Very simple way. I started earlier in Hyderabad, high-tech city, and focusing on IT. At the time, I focused mainly knowledge economy. Today I can say proudly, Hyderabad is getting highest per capita income. Telangana is getting highest per capita income in the country. Most livable city. Because of technology and also infrastructure. IT professionals have gone all over the world. I am proud to announce today, Indians are earning highest per capita income in the world, any country for that matter. Among Indians, Andhra Pradesh #1 by contributing 30% of people who are working in IT. Always I am saying, in the world, out of 4 IT professionals, 1 is from India. Among Indians, out of 4, 1 is from Andhra Pradesh, Telugu community. We are proud of them. One public policy has changed total history. Now, we are working Quantum Valley. America is having Silicon Valley. India is having Quantum Valley, that is Amaravati. We started recently with the Government of India support and also IBM, TCS, L&T, they are working together. By January, we are going to join the club of Quantum Valley, or quantum computers, who are all having, I think 6-7 countries are having quantum computing. One is India, that is from Amaravati. I am very proud to announce that is how we are working. Today, Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence, that is the deadly combination. With quantum computing, that is another area we are working. I wanted to tell you here, next 10 years are very crucial and also very inspiring. The world is changing faster than before. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, quantum computing, redefining how government think and act. We have intensively used core technologies to expand capacity building, e-files, e-cabinet systems, e-office, so many things we are moving in the direction, predictive decision making, transparency and further readiness. These are all some of the examples. I wanted to inform all of you, we are in inspiring time. Historical data is available with every government, every department. Artificial intelligence is available. Then decision making may be more accurate, more data is there. Real-time data we can collect real-time by using satellite, by using drone, CCTV camera, Internet of Things, wearables, and also sensors. If you collect all the information, historical data is available. By applying artificial intelligence, you can imagine decision making 90 to 95, 99% accuracy. You can communicate real time to the last mile with WhatsApp. What is the problem? Only just execution. That is where I am saying we are very fortunate. I used to think earlier that is 95. One is language. India has so many languages, but some of them are not aware English. Illiterates, how to reach them? Then all languages, computers have, it has come in all languages. Second, illiterates, how to identify? We used to debate. One professor was there, Raj Reddy, who is very popular in information technology. He was in, even today he is in Carnegie Mellon University. I used to debate with him, all of us. At that time we thought icons has to come. Then identification is the common man like that. Today you are seeing all apps, everything, very easy to follow. So we have transformed totally. I am telling you now, knowledge economy. By sitting anywhere you can work. Virtual and physical working is the reality. White collared and also blue collared is the reality. And also flexible working hours have come. Overization of services have come. I need not work particular hours. Whenever I am having a time, I can work. Whenever they need work, they demand services, that type of things have come. Productivity enhancement has come because of all these things. Cost has been reduced and comfort has come for everybody. This is where globally technology is going to play a very crucial role. I wanted to tell you here, we are going next level, not only in government. This is Ratan-Tata Innovation Hub. There I wanted to create every family, one entrepreneur is my goal. Earlier I used to say, one family, one IT professional. Today my slogan is one family, one entrepreneur. There we are working in a big way through knowledge economy also. Knowledge economy, so many solutions you can bring it. Ratan-Tata Innovation Hub and 5 spoke models we are creating. There, how to promote MSMEs, how to promote MSMEs in knowledge economy, we are working in a big way. That will have tremendous impact in Andhra Pradesh, and also it will create, I'm telling you, future will be different. Only India can provide services to the global community. Some of the countries, because of aging problem, they are having technology, they don't have people to handle technology. Even for aging people, they need nurses, doctors, or to handle technology. Some people, all these things are shortage, huge demand from Japan or Europe, so many countries for that matter. We are having biggest country as on today, 143 crore population. China is only 130 crore population. Huge market. Our Honorable Prime Minister has rightly mentioned Swadeshi movement. If we can focus on Swadeshi first, then we can create big brands. Then if we can expand producing everything, we can meet the global demand also that is going to happen in the near future. This is where we are sometimes, if you do one thing, it will get advantage further. Now we want to establish quantum computing. IBM, TCS, everybody has come. Now we are creating a mechanism to produce quantum computers. Never India quantum computing machine has started in 23. Then onwards, people are talking. We took initiative. Now quantum computer is coming. I am assuring you, within 2 years' time, India is going to produce quantum computers, and we are going to export and meet domestic competition in the near future. That is going to happen now. That is where we are working. One example I am giving you how things are going to happen. Always, in so many applications, not one or two. On health, I am giving you one example we are working today. Sanjeevani project. You are all aware, Lakshman was injured in war. Shri Ram wanted to save him. Then they suggested Sanjeevani medicinal plant. Then who will bring that? Then Hanuman, he said, I will bring. Then he went to bring that herbal plant. He don't know how it is. Then he brought a mountain. He took a medicinal plant and treated Lakshman. He was saved. Today we are working. Global knowledge you will bring on medical. Treat at his doorstep. It is possible. That is Sanjeevani project we are bringing. Digital records. Every person records will be in digital. And also predictive, curative, real-time monitoring. Always I am saying today, situation has been changed. How much I have to eat by seeing my glucose levels I am eating. That stage has come. Even my aura ring, morning I will get up. My readiness, my sleep score, my heartbeat, everything I will see. Then there is not sufficient sleep. I will sleep half an hour more or 1 hour more. It has come. What I am saying, it is an inspiring time. That is where Ramdev used to say, always, human life is 120 years. We are eating 120 years food within 30-40 years. Then we are getting so many problems. Just like body, we need nutritious food. All carbohydrates we are using. Because of that, automatically sugar, diabetic. If you eat more fat, you are getting heart problems. That is where we are working. Food as a medicine, kitchen as a pharmacy. This is the secret for preventive health. We are promoting in a big way. Yoga also. You have come here. 11th Yoga International Day was conducted in Visakhapatnam. Morning 5 o'clock, 3,15,000 people came voluntarily to participate in yoga celebrations, yoga exercise. We got 22 Guinness records in this regard. Now we wanted to introduce yoga also part of our health campaign. So you are going to see this project. Bill Gates asked me, I have seen you, I am trying so many countries, I am unable to do it. If you can come forward, Gates Foundation and Government of Andhra Pradesh will produce a model. If it is successful, then I can scale it up in India, then I can take to rest of the world. That is what he asked me. We are working that project. I will share you just like WhatsApp governance. Very soon, we are going to provide Sanjeevani project, not only Andhra Pradesh people, rest of the country also. It is going to happen now. It will reduce the cost of health and also better living standards. Ultimately, I am telling you, future is data-driven decision making. It is going to happen. We are meeting here, Vikasit Bharat, and also for us, Swarna Andhra Pradesh. Our goals are very clear. Right decisions are made in the real time. Services are delivered seamlessly to citizens. And technology acts not as a barrier, but as a bridge, connecting every citizen to best opportunities, dignity and growth, ease of living, and best living standards. That is our motive. That is where we are working now. This is one area, as on today, if you see the strength of India, India is the third largest user of AI after US and China. Soon it will become number one. 65% of Indians surveyed use AI compared to global average 31%. Between the age group of 25 to 44, 84 use in AI. 92% of Indian knowledge workers use AI, global average is 75. 30% of Indian companies maximizing value from AI, global average is only 26. 21% of app download happen from India, but revenue goes to other countries. This is where I am asking all of you. This is my dream, not now, 30 years. Beginning, I want to promote information technology. Then we used to do job work. Americans, doctors used to practice. They will write manual scripts. They will send to India. Because of time zone, we used to work daytime. Then we made it round the clock, 3 shifts a day. But never we have gone to products. I used to say every day, you are doing low-end work, you are not getting money, try to compete by producing products. But we are unable to do that. But we have done one thing. I am very happy. They became entrepreneurs all over the world. That has helped us. But today, we are very strong in writing codes and algorithms. And also, we should be the hub of design and manufacturing. It means products must be designed and manufactured in India. National Quantum Mission and Semiconductor Mission have the same goal. All of you are aware, South Korea started semiconductor long back. Samsung was the game changer in South Korean economy itself. Today, I am very happy. First time semiconductor has brought to India by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I really appreciate him. I used to talk for last 30 years, but nobody used to achieve it. He is able to do now. Now we are starting Space City because Government of India allowed in private sector. Sriharikota, we are having launching pad. Nearby that, we are having Space City. In Orvakal, we are having Drone City. Nowadays, in future, all wars will be done, not manpower, with the drone, with the technology strength. So we are establishing Drone City for defense applications and also civilian applications. We are going to start Electronic City, Electronic Hub. There we are going to produce all devices. And also we are having very strong base in MedTech zone, MedTech Park. All diagnosis, everything. India first time we are producing, before we used to import. Now we are having Quantum Valley. Semiconductor also, packaging we got it. Now I want to go to semiconductor area also. Here I am requesting all of you and Government of India, even some of IAS officers today I am watching, youngsters more are from IITs, IIMs. I am proud of them. First time I am seeing earlier, all IAS officers are business, arts, some other background. Today, people are coming from IIT and also IIM. They are very genius also, not only IAS, IPS and also IFS and other competitive services. With all of you, our goal should be, one is quantum technology, how to use it, how to write algorithms, that ecosystem. And also we are talking 6G now. Tomorrow 7G will come. By 2047, 7G also will come. I had a very difficult time how to bring bandwidth once. Today we are very happy. This also we have to stabilize. We have to innovate new technologies for 7G. Otherwise we are paying loyalties or premium to other countries. Semiconductor is one more area. This also all of us has to work in the direction. Finally, I am telling all of you, 2047, not far away. It is only 22 years from now onwards. India, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister as on today, from 10th place we have reached to 4th place. 28 we are going to reach 3rd place. By 38 we are going to reach 2nd place. I don't have any doubt, by 2047 India will be number 1 economy. Nobody can stop it. Here, Telugu Desam Party will lead this revolution. Andhra Pradesh people will lead this revolution, will contribute to the national development. In this regard, I have seen so many things. Today I am very happy all the way I am having assembly. But I said, so many people are coming. What you are doing, I wanted to know. And also I want to share some of my thoughts, some of my dreams. This is my dream I am telling you. America is thinking always they are ahead. Recently, China has changed the situation because of their focus. Now future is for India turn. So people like you who are all working, you can transform this great country. Even our leader, that is Narendra Modi ji, is very clear to transform India. If all of us will work together, then we can produce a real model, not only for our community, for the global community. With this, 2 days, you are going to debate so many things. Have a pleasant stay and also beautiful hospitality, and also apply your minds in innovative way. Get some innovative thoughts and create products or new innovations in this direction. I am hoping what all you are giving ideas, and also Srinivasan will give it to us, I am assuring you, I will implement which are all relevant immediately without any duplication. Then you can make it one showcasing state and bring everybody to contribute further or otherwise learn from us and implement for this further benefit of the people of that state. So, thank you, excellent time. By seeing all of you, I am getting so much of confidence. Each one will get one innovative idea. Game is over. I expect that type of thinking from all of you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, as we say, a leader is someone who knows the way, who shows the way, who goes the way. We have one such leader with us, who have given us years of hard work, dedication and passion and made Andhra Pradesh what it is today. Thank you, sir, for setting the tone, for shedding some light on why we are here, and the future is absolutely full of glory.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request today's Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Babu Naidu to please come forward and present the mementos to the dignitaries on the dais. I request the Secretary Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India, Shri V. Srinivas Garu to please come forward and receive the amazing Andhra Pradesh memento on the hands of Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the visionary leader, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Babu Naidu Garu. It is a student and teacher movement for him. Sir was then the student, now as one of the guests besides the Honorable CM, sir.
And now next up, we would like to request Shri K. Vijayanand to kindly come forward. The Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Abhishek Singh Ji, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Director General, National Informatics. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Requesting you, sir, to kindly do the honors by presenting a token of love, a token of gratitude, a token of gesture from your side, please. Thank you very much.
The amazing Andhra Pradesh memento along with the shawl, followed by the special edition of GCC that is made in Andhra Pradesh. Now I request the Additional Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, DARPG, Government of India, Shri Puneet Yadav Ji to please come forward and receive the shawl and memento from the hands of Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Babu Naidu Garu.
And now with this, we would like to request Shrimati Sarita Chauhan Ji, Joint Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, altogether Government of India, to kindly come forward and receive the token of gratitude and gesture from one and only our very own, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause as we do the honors.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And also, a wonderful edition of GCC.
A big thank you to our very own Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh.
We have the presence of Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India, Shri V. Srinivas sir, is requested to felicitate Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu Garu.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can be a bit more louder with applauses. आप सभी की जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. एक ऐसे लीडर जिनका विजन हम सभी के लिए बहुत ही खास है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे. A big thanks to you, sir, for taking the time out and gracing the occasion with your presence.
And a wonderful edition of Vikasit Bharat Vision 2047. Shri V. Srinivas Garu, the Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Government of India, Shri V. Srinivas sir is presenting the wonderful edition of Vikasit Bharat 2047. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, I would like to invite Shri Bhaskar K, Secretary Information Technology and Electronics and Communication, to kindly come and deliver the closing remarks. Yes, sir, please.
A request to everyone. Vote of thanks అయిపోయిన తర్వాత I request all the delegates to kindly be seated in your respective positions until CM sir departures. Thank you.
Good morning to all and welcome to the amazing city of Vizag. I take this opportunity to welcome the dignitaries who have come. I'll start with Shri Bharat Garu, the Honorable MP. It means a lot for us that you are here with us. Thanks a lot, and you've always been supporting Vizag, and in your leadership in Vizag, we want to bring the IT to Vizag, because IT means Vizag, Vizag means IT for the state of Andhra Pradesh. We're trying to build Vizag as a capital for the IT applications and IT ecosystem. It means a lot for us that you are here and you're participating with us. Thank you, thanks a lot. I also take this opportunity to thank the dignitaries on the dais, Srimati Sarita Chauhan, Joint Secretary DARPG. I also thank Shri Puneet Yadav ji, Additional Secretary DARPG, Shri Abhishek Singh ji, Additional Secretary MIT, CS Vijayanand Garu, and Srinivas Garu, Secretary DARPG, and finally Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, it means a lot to us, sir. Particularly today, the Assembly is in session, and even during that period when his schedule is very tight, he has come here to Vizag to be with us and to learn. In fact, sir, sometimes really I feel very enthused, the kind of enthusiasm you have with technology. I find a lot of people of my age already thinking that they know everything. But every day you surprise me with things. In fact, many times, sir, I've never shared this, but I'm sharing from here. Things you tell me, I don't understand at first instance. I really go back and search the internet, do some bit of research, then I understand what you have told me. Sir is actually ahead of youngsters in terms of understanding technology, particularly quantum. When he told us that a quantum valley will come to AP, I had absolutely no clue what quantum technology means. It took me 3 to 4 days of learning what quantum technologies are. That I had to do a lot of learning. Then I understood what it is, and then now we're trying to ensure that his vision we implemented the field. Sir, we will live up to your expectations, sir. The entire deliberations of the event we will be compiling, and we will take your guidance and ensure that good applications and good processes which we learn here will definitely implement in the state of Andhra Pradesh. We are also sharing our initiatives to the rest of the country. Some good initiatives which people would like, we'll try to work with them. Also with Government of India, some initiatives they are doing. We're slightly ahead of the curve. In many cases, there is a lot of learning that we need to do. We'll work with the Government of India, MIT, DARPG, and other agencies to ensure that your vision of the Andhra Pradesh as the forerunner in the e-governance. From e-governance today we are calling I-governance, where using of information technology and also artificial intelligence, we bring the services closer to the people, sir. We're always inspired by your vision. We hope we live up to your expectations and we follow in your footsteps, sir. Thank you for being us, and thank you for coming us here and motivating all of us, sir. Your presence here means a lot to us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, requesting all of you to kindly stick to your seats till our Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Narra.Chandhrababu Naidu Garu, departures. A big round of applause. And with this, I would love to thank all of you for being a part of this momentous occasion. Thank you very much, everyone. Requesting all of you to kindly stay in the same hall, ladies and gentlemen, for a few more minutes. Thank you very much. Alright everybody, so as we have come to an end of the formal proceedings, We have a sumptuous high tea arranged for all of you right outside, requesting all of you to kindly do the proceedings and have a great day ahead. We are going to be joining in next couple of minutes for the next session coming up here. Thank you very much and have a good day.
And the people are requested to join for the high tea with Honorable CM, sir. Those who are allocated to join for the high tea with Honorable CM, sir, are requested to move there. Shri V. Srinivas IAS, Shri K. Vijayanand IAS, Dr. Rajesh Agarwal IAS, Shri Abhishek Singh IAS, Srimati Rashmi Chaudhary IRPS, Dr. Vivek Raghavan, Shri Sharan Agarwal, Shri Sundari Pattabandhala,